Maintenance of traditional fuel vehicles. Mercedes-Benz space linkage system. Explosive display of hundreds of parts. Scan the QR code on the component. Take online video courses. Equipped with teaching courseware, electronic teaching materials, and practical training work orders. VR course. Dynamic display of V-shaped 12-cylinder 500 kilowatt. The operating principle of ultra-high power engine. Manual transmission. Electronically controlled air suspension, intelligent power steering, ESP electronic stability braking, multi-link mechanism and body system construction. Remotely control lights and windows. Sunroof, door locks, massage seats, air conditioning. The three major car series are Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Audi, based on traditional fuel vehicles, supplemented by new technologies in hybrid vehicles. 48 software development items and 86 invention patents. Develop teaching materials and VR production. Scan the QR code for online courses. The top 10 systems formed, including wall plane training system, transparent vehicle training platform, in-depth anatomy naked car, anatomy training car, 6-piece set of subcontrol linkage, dissect engine, module box, finding faults during disassembly. Online courses include electronically controlled engines, chassis, body electrical appliances, automatic air conditioning and other systems. There are 90 courses in total and 10 days of offline learning. Complete engine overhaul, air conditioning repair. Practical operation of 28 projects including sensor testing.